On Samsung A14, there is no slow motion option inside of the camera app. So if you do want to take slow motion, the first way is to open Google Play Store, then search for slow motion in the search. We're going to look for the slow motion video FX camera and then tap to install this. It is completely free to download. Once downloaded, open up the application and we won't allow notifications. We will select our age and then confirm and agree to the permissions. Now tap the start and we'll consent and then tap on record movie and then tap on continue. So now we're going to record a video like normal. So just record the video just as you would and then tap the stop option. Then select OK. So we'll close out of this advertisement and we see the simple or the advanced editing. So if we just want the full video to be slow motion, you choose simple. If you want parts of the video to be slow motion, select advanced. I will select simple. And so now we see the current speed. We can set this to half speed, or we can set this to 0.25 speed. And then we'll just tap on the save, allow access to photos and videos. We now see the processing option. If we want to change anything here, it's going to ask us to pay. So instead, let's select start processing and patiently wait for the video to be generated. Once done, it should be in your photos. So we can see the video here and you can see it's slow motion. It does have audio as well. So hopefully this helps.